Hey guys, so yeah, Charlie, for some time now, my laptop has been giving me issues, and I don't know, it's been back and forth, back and forth. This morning I woke up and then the machine just decided not to come on. I mean, it has been doing this for some time now. You put it on, you use it, you put it off, and then it will refuse to turn back on. So this morning I was like, nah, Charlie, enough is enough. Not today. I decided to dismantle everything on my screwdriver. Apparently my laptop wasn't turning on because I have a problem with my power button on the keyboard. Apparently that's where the problem is coming from. So I mean, this is on a short notice. I have things to do. I have people's works to edit. So I decided to check on YouTube to see if I would get a way of putting on the laptop without using the power button. And then this is by disconnecting the keyboard. So this is how it goes. First of all, this is how you put on your Lenovo D420 laptop without your keyboard or without having access to your power button. So you just quickly connect your charger. Let me connect my charger. Connect your charger. Yeah. And then this part is where you connect the keyboard. This small pin, whatever side of the laptop is where the keyboard connects. So this guy tells me to use this cutter, right? And then he tells me to make sure one side of the cutter is on the board. One side of the cutter is on the board, and then I should slowly tilt the head to hit these pins, these metallic or whatever pins it is here. One side is on the motherboard. This side is metal. Actually, it's metal. So one side is here on the motherboard where the keyboard connects to the motherboard, and then you just pinch on it, and guys, see, the machine came on. The machine, like this one, like I go carry go mad. The machine come on, and if you want to put it off, you use the same process. Just make sure the metal, one side of the metal is on the motherboard, and then you tilt the head to where the connector, the keyboard connector is, and voila, the machine is off. I swear say this one, I carry go repair right there, like they go take me like 300, 400 Ghana. But it was just a simple protest. I do it come. One thing we are Okay, so I'm done assembling the machine now. Let's see if the magic can work. Ooh, that's tight. Charlie, tight. Okay. So, the moment of truth is this here. The machine is off. The machine is like totally off. And so we have to place this. And voila. The machine is fucking on. The machine is on. So all this while I had a problem with my power button, and I was like, jeez, my machine is on. My machine is on. But I have no keyboard. I have no keyboard. So what I'm going to do right now is this is the original keyboard, so I don't think I'm going to need the keyboard again. So let me just quickly put this guy here, and I have this white sort of wireless keyboard here that I use when I go out. So I think this is now going to be my permanent keyboard. So my connector should be somewhere. Yeah, found it. So let me fix this guy here. Oof, tight. Too tight. Too tight. My machine is a virgin. Okay, that's done. So I have my connector connected, and I'm going to place this keyboard right here. And let me see if it works. Yeah, it works. So let me just enter my password real quick. This is my password. This is my password. Let me hit that. And we're back. We're back. We are back, bro. We are back. I'm not buying no damn keyboard, bro. Charlie, so far as it's working and I can get my job done and I can supply my clients, I'm cool. I'm done. Bye-bye.